Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage we're going to be opening up this Fiat 500. This is a mainline Hot Wheels long card. This is part of the Hot Wheels Daredevils collection, and this is number 2 of 5 of that set. As you can see, it's really cool. This is a 2017 casting. A little bit of dust on it. I'll get that off there. And you know, it's kind of an interesting orange color. Not sure what's going on. Take a look at the card art. It's nice and shiny up here. You can see that. But if you look at the casting down here, it's kind of a satin finish. Hard to really see in the pack. It's got some good detail on the rear end, and I really like the wheels, the yellow wheels. Very cool. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, we've got this guy opened and we'll take a look at it. So as we can see, the color is really cool. It's a nice orange color. It's got some very interesting stripes on it. I really like the wheels. The wheels are really huge for this tiny little car. They're yellow, but the yellow is a little different than the yellow in the side skirts. So this yellow here versus this yellow here versus this yellow in the stripes. It's a little different. It still looks pretty good unless you look really close. It's got some good race numbers on there. It's nice. It's got detail on the back. Very good. I would like to see maybe painted taillights if they're going to go through this much effort with the graphics. The little taillights would be nice, but that's okay. Looks really good. The front end, happy smiling little car. And the thing that I really like about this one is the inside is very detailed. It's kind of hard to see, sorry, but inside there's a nice steering wheel. There you go. Nice steering wheel, nice shifter. The interior actually looks pretty good, and the driver's and passengers' windows are open, so you can actually see in there. Some cars are closed up or have tinted windows and it's harder, but this one looks really good. It rolls pretty well. So we'll take a look at some close-up photos and show you some of the details.